Altcoins are taking a little bit of a slide today being October 9th. On the Bitcoin dominance chart, we are seeing a bullish breakout of this ascending wedges. Ascending wedges tend to break to the bear side, but we're getting a bullish breakout here. But my theory is that if we were to get a bullish breakout here, which was what I was leaning towards, it will end up being a false bullish breakout. I've been talking about for weeks now that on the Bitcoin chart, or the Bitcoin dominance chart, I should say, on the weekly time frame, we don't really meet significant resistance until we hit the 12-week or the 55-week exponential moving averages between 59.6 to 60%. Then we have the opportunity to see a rejection and to finally start to see altcoins really start to ride. And why do I think we'll see that on the Bitcoin dominance chart and then start to see altcoins ride? Because one, momentum on our Moxie indicator is getting more and more bearish despite price or Bitcoin dominance moving higher, meaning that this is a weak move to the upside. Also, the most important sign is the Russell 2000. This is telling us that the greater market across the board, across the stock market, which is larger than the cryptocurrency market, is turning risk on. This is the weekly time frame. We have a V-shaped recovery here, and we are currently holding the previous high as support to potentially continue to rally off of while we are not in overbought territory on our relative strength index. This is a sign that risk on is here for the markets and that the market across the board is ready to step it up when it comes to risk on markets. That's a good sign for altcoins as well. And when we look at the market cap for all of the more risky altcoins, right? So this is the market cap of all of cryptocurrencies minus Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're copying the Russell 2000's chart almost perfectly. We're just really about 2 weeks behind it right now to get to the point of turning this previous high into support. But the altcoins have been copying the Russell, and it looks like we will continue to catch up to it. Until this changes, we have to think that this is gonna hold up. And we are also seeing momentum for altcoins on the weekly time frame get more and more bullish while not being in overbought territory. But maybe we see coins like Solana fall to $207, $208 here and create a higher low. Ethereum here might be breaking and ruining this descending wedge pattern we had here and setting up a new formation for us to analyze afterwards. We'll have to see how this daily candle closes. And even if all of altcoins are ready to pop off immediately, BNB would still want to cool down. This has been way too hot over the past number of weeks, and I would be potentially interested in BNB maybe falling into this consolidation zone if it held, $1,140. That'd be a good sign to me. Or what I would really like to see is BNB down to this area of support. This looks like a much stronger area of support here at just over $1,000, roughly $1,100. That's what I'd like to see. Maybe we'll see this across the altcoins, but overall, the overarching risk on market is getting stronger and stronger on the weekly time frames.